Hey Dad, here's a video of the pups when I think they were 5 weeks old, 4 or 5 weeks old. They were just getting ready to hop over the barrier I was keeping them in the room there with, and soon after I took this video, I moved them outside to their pen. I'll send you another video of those. I'm gonna put this on YouTube for unlisted link. So just click the link in the email, it'll take you right to the video. Alright. And like, hey, if you need to learn how to do stuff, I can make videos like this, and I can show you my screen. I can do a screen capture and like show you how to do something right on screen if you want to. With this, I'm in widescreen now, and it looks like I can't flick over to my screen like I usually can. So I'd have to be in a different resolution to do that. We'll do that when the time comes. Okay, yeah, watch this video then. If I don't see you for Christmas, Merry Christmas. Love you. Bye now.
Come on, Puppies. Are you puppies hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry, pupper? Are you hungry? Cuties! Come on, cuties. This is right before the midday feeding. They're not really very hungry. I fed them. But Mom's not giving up any more mother's milk. Not for very long anyway, because their teeth are sharp. You got teeth already, don't you, puppy? Wow, you're the noisy one. That is the noisiest one too, right? Right on the left. That one's moving. Boy, that little bugger can race out. This is the biggest guy, I think. He's really mellow. That one's playful all the time. That one's learning how to chew on wood. Hey, there you go, up on your hind legs and everything. These guys are going to be breaking over the barrier any day now. Then what? I'm going to have to build it higher. Because we had a blizzard. We're in the middle of a blizzard right now. I'll try to get a shot outside here. My window's all fogged up on the inside. But anyway, yeah, having a blizzard. When it should be 50 degrees out and sunny. But anyway, you know my story. I still don't have water. Adios.
Watertown, Massachusetts, where authorities